I am Praniti Chole from Standard 8, studying in SVS Academy. Today I made a chart of biology. I am going to explain you what is biology. Biology is a scientific branch of science that deals with living organisms and their vital processes. Now first I am going to explain you about cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of our body. There are two cells, plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell has outermost covering which is known as cell wall. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Inside it there is cell membrane. Cell membrane allow or permits entry and exits of some materials inside or outside the cell. This structure was given by Singer and Nicholson. Inside there are cell organelles like mitochondria, plastid, vacuole and Golgi apparatus. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, which generates ATP for the cell. Vacuole are storage sacs for waste material in plant cell. Plastid gives green color to the plant and helps in photosynthesis. Inside nucleus there is DNA and genes. The part of nucleus where RNA is formed is called nucleolus. Endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the nucleus. The part of endoplasmic reticulum where ribosomes live is called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and where ribosomes do not live is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now this is animal cell. Animal cell is not a double membranous structure. It only has cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane there is fluid which is known as cytoplasm, and there are organelles like mitochondria, lysosomes, centrosome, Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria generates ATP. Centrosome is attached in the 90-degree angle. Two centrosomes are there in centriole. Centriole helps in animal cell for cell division. Golgi apparatus packs waste products, materials. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, this detoxify liver from toxicity. Lysosomes are suicidal bag of the cell. Now I am going to explain you about heart. Heart is present in the thoracic cavity of human body. Heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Heart has double membranous structure called peritoneal membrane. Deoxygenated blood comes from superior vena cava through right atrium in right ventricle. There is tricuspid wall between this. This deoxygenated blood goes from left pulmonary artery to lungs, and lungs purify it and makes it oxygenated. This oxygenated blood again comes from left pulmonary veins into the left atrium and left ventricle. In between left atrium and left ventricle, bicuspid valve is present. This oxygenated blood goes into systematic aorta, and this aorta supplies oxygenated blood to each and every part and cell of your body. Now I am going to explain you about lungs. Lungs are also present in thoracic cavity. The maximum part of thoracic cavity is covered by lungs. Lungs has double membranes known as pleura. It is like a sponge. There are many alveoli compartments present in the lungs which helps in exchange of gases. Photosynthesis. It is the process in which plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In this process, carbohydrates and oxygen is released. This is part of reproduction.